Let's go. Okay, my Camino has begun. I am heading out of Saint Jean Pied Port, France, heading towards Spain. Today is really just going to be a short hike, but it is going to be quite a bit uphill. I'll be ascending, I think, a little over 2,000 feet. But I'm gonna stay in Orisson. There's an albergue there that's fairly well known, and I thought it would be fun to stay there just because it's kind of an iconic albergue for the at least for this portion of the Camino from France. So we'll keep going. I should be getting out of town here eventually. I want to make sure that I'm heading off in the right direction. So, but we'll check in later. So I'm only, I guess, about less than a half mile outside of town now. And as I said earlier, today's going to be a very short hike up those hills, though. So it'll be a short but challenging hike to the Orisson albergue. Okay, these last mile and a half or so has been a pretty steep incline, but not sure, but I should have less than a mile to go. So we'll see how long it takes. But the view from here is pretty spectacular, so it's worth it. I'm pooped, but it's worth it. Yeah, I'm pooped, but I think it's just a little bit farther. It's pretty steep here, going through a series of switchbacks. Whenever you got switchbacks, you know you're either going up or you're going down, and in this case, I'm going up. So, well, I'm getting a little rain for the last part of my trek here. Okay, it looks like I have made it to Orisson. This is where I'll be spending the night, and I'm sure I'll meet a lot of other pilgrims spending the night here. So let's see if it looks like all the pictures I've seen in the past. Okay.